Hi children, today topic again about the subtraction, the story sums. How to do the subtraction in story sums? Before class I explained already. Now today also more sums I am explaining this topic in this session. Now first clearly we have to read what he gave the problem, what he gave word problems or story sums, what he gave the word problems. We can understood from the what he gave. Then we have to write the statements. What is asking conclusion? What is asking? If he is asking difference means we have to do subtraction. If he is asking total means we have to do the addition. This topic is only depend on only addition only. Then we have to go through what he gave the word problem. One I am repeating. The total strength of a school is 7,545. If the number of girls is 3,281. Total strength means what? In that girls and boys both are there. In the school students. Okay? The school students total strength means in the girls and boys are there. That 7,545 strength is there. The number of girls in that school, only girls strength he gave 3,281. Okay, girls he gave. Now what is asking to find the number of boys? The question should be is there. He is asking only boys strength. He gave only girls strength and total strength he gave. He is asking boys strength means what we have to do. For example, in a third class strength is 30. Class strength is 30 members. Total strength, girls and boys, girls plus boys. Total strength is, it will be is a G plus B means what? Girls plus boys is 30 are there in the third class. Okay, now in that 16 members and girls are there. Total strength is 30. In that 30, 16 girls are there. Total how many boys are there? Means what we have to do? 16 after 17, 18, 19. We will count like that. It will be become a 30. Should be how many fingers we got? It will be is a 14. Not like that. We have to do the subtraction. In the first and second classes we will got the fingertips. Not in the fourth class we have to do directly subtraction. 30 minus 16 is becoming 14. Okay? 14 should be easy strength of boys. Okay? By the same way. The sum also we will solution we have to do from the total strength. We have to subtract girls strength. We have to subtract girls strength from the total strength. Whenever we are doing the word problems or story sums, what we have to do? We can write the statement. What he gave the statements one by one according to the strength, according to the numerical numbers or according to the quantity we have to write. First what he gave? Total strength in a school. Okay, total number of students, or we have to write total number of students, or total strength of school, total strength of a school, total strength of a school. Is equal to how much he gave? 7,545 he gave. Total strength is how much? 7,545. Next statement, first statement over. Second statement for about the girls. Number of girls in a school. Number of girls in a school. How much should be? Is there? That is a 3,281. 3,281. See, strength minus girls will be become a boys. Number of boys in a school. Now we are finding. We are asking only boys. Now we have to finding the boys. Number of boys. How many are there? We have to find. Number of boys. Number of boys in a school. Total strength minus total strength minus what is that? Girls strength. Total strength minus girls. Girls total strength is how much? Is a 7,545 minus girls strength should be is a 3,281. Both should we have to subtract. We will get the how many boys are there in the school. We will know. See here 7,545. It will become 3,281. Same digit number. That's why I wrote from the left to right. The second number, the digits is different. We have to write from the right to left. 5 minus 1, it will become 4. 8 is can't remove from the 4. Then we can go to borrow. Then 5 is become a 4. It will become 4 is become a 14. 14 minus 8 is a 6. 14 minus 8 is a 6. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. Total boys are how many are there? 4,264 boys. In a school, how much should be boys? How many are there? 4,264 boys are there in the school. Okay, like this we have to, according to the statement, we will arrange, and what he is asking conclusion. Then we can go through the. If he is asking finding the difference means of number of boys is asking. If quantity is asking, total quantity means we should do addition. If he is not asking, only is asking for the particular strength, particular quantity, particular number is asking, then we have to do subtraction. This is the first word problem, first story sum. Then again go second story sum. I wrote on the board, or second word problem I wrote on the board. Then see this. The cost of a scooter is rupees 9,540 rupees. The cost of scooter cost is 9,540. If the cost of moped is rupees 3,550, less than the scooter, then now you have to find in the cost of moped. See example. See, scooter cost is this much, 9,540. Now what is asking? Moped cost is less than 3,550 than the scooter. Means what? For example, see, the one apple cost is 25 rupees. One apple cost is 25 rupees. Okay, see, this is the apple cost. Okay, apple cost. Then see here, one pomegranate cost is 5 rupees less than the apple cost. 5 rupees less than the apple cost. See here, apple cost is 25 rupees. Pomegranate cost is not he gave directly. He didn't give directly. What he is saying, 5 rupees less than the apple cost means what? We have to 5 we have to remove from the apple cost. How much should be? It will be 25 minus 5 is 20. 20 is a pomegranate cost. 20 is pomegranate cost. Now same way he gave the scooter cost and moped cost. See here, first the cost of scooter. The cost of scooter. The cost of scooter is equal to how much? Rupees 9,540. 9,540. Next one is asking moped cost. What he gave? He gave directly? No. Rupees 3,550 than the scooter cost. Less than the scooter class. Less than the scooter cost. Scooter cost is how much should be now? Rupees 9,540. Now we have to subtract 3,550 rupees we have to subtract. Then see write down. Zero can't go. It will become 4. 4 is become a 14. 14 it will be is 9. Okay. It is 8. 14 minus again 9, 8 minus 3, it will become 5. How much should be cost? Moped cost is 5,990 rupees. Moped cost is, therefore moped cost is rupees 5,990. This is where you have to do the first come. If he gave some tricky he gave. Okay, once we have to concentrate on the question what he gave, we should understand the question, then do the sums. Okay, clearly this first problem he gave directly. Then second problem he did not give the directly, he gave some tricky. Okay, what we have to think about the sum. We can do what he gave, what he is asking. In the process he gave, in the next again things he gave or cost he gave, we have to think, and if he is asking more than or less than. By the way, we have to think and we will do the solution the given word problems. Okay, children, thank you.